Here's a 2008 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. The legacy of the premium SUV started with the M-Class. It's the perfect marriage of German engineering and American sensibilities. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, Parktronic Park Assist, AM/FM satellite radio, 4 12-volt power outlets, dual zone climate control, and automatic transmission. MSN Autos points out, elegantly appointed inside as it is, the M-Class is built to go off-road. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.